Well, here's Nixie. Tell us about game night.
Thanks, Warner. Yeah, that's some of the main challenges that we have going digital is getting the time zones right. Having everybody overseas be able to also enjoy everything we're doing. Um, yeah, thanks for the intro. For those who don't know me, I'm Nixie. 10 years ago, I worked for the likes of Tech TV, if you remember. This is like calling out my age, but Screensavers, Call for Help. I used to hang out with Chris Perillo and Leo Laporte and Patrick Norton a lot. And I was basically the first and the last person probably to bring Linux to and open source to the Discovery Channel. Maybe the last actually, because open source was cool, but maybe not cool enough for broadcast television for long. Can't compete with reality TV. So I hung around my YouTube channel for a couple years, and then I spun off Geek Beacon, and we're an open source community, but now we have around 6,000 people, coders, gamers, techie lovers, and we'd love for you to be one of those people and hang out with us. And we're kicking off the BOFs, birds of a feather. I think everybody here that knows about OLF knows what a BOF is, right, Warner?
Yeah, for the most part, BOFs are known in other communities as, well, open spaces. So there's different names for it. But I think Kara, the OLF crew, knows BOFs pretty well.
Yeah, I remember at some of the like well, not that far east, but East Coast conferences that we did, we had fishbowl conversations. Have you ever heard of that before? That's like completely foreign to people, I guess. It's essentially like most people are quiet, and then they're outside of the fishbowl, and the people who are inside of the fishbowl talk. And then if you want to speak about things, you kind of like politely poke the people in the fishbowl, and then you switch seats, and that's kind of like the atmosphere that we'll have in our Discord. So I'm not sure where the Discord link is located in this conference. Maybe you wouldn't mind directing them to it.
We do have the Discord. So game night or day or morning is going to be happening in Discord, the Geek Beacon Discord, and it is linked on the OLF conference website, olfconference.org. If you are registered for the program, you will have received email with that information as well. But know that you're able to participate even if you're not registered. So our friends and participants on YouTube are welcome as well.
Yeah, and so just to speak on that too, so we have like kind of a gaming circuit. So we're kicking off 4 games at once. Is sharing working out? I could screen share a little bit. I just wanted to show a cool little image. Let's see here. Don't yell at me. I'm using OBS on Windows. Oh no. We just following up the security talk. Here's our so we're going to be doing a Pokemon and Digimon Minecraft spinoff. We have Among Us is ever so popular hidden identity game. We have Halo. Hopefully you can see this image, and then there should be a link hopefully to kind of like where you go to install all that. But if you drop on our main Facebook Discord, you'll be able to see all of that jazz. And then as far as the birds of a feather discussion, we're going to be hamming it up with ham radio, talking about ham radio stuff, mental health and being neurodiverse in this world of geekiness. We even actually have like Geeks Gotta Eat. I just love that like title of our BOFs. So look forward to seeing you guys here soon.
Well, thanks so much, Nixie, and for the partnership with Geek Beacon. I'm super excited for not only the BOFs, but for game night. I think it's one of the neat things about being virtual. Often we have all sorts of different games going on in the hallways of the venue that we're hosted, but today we get to have games on the internet, and I think that's fun, just as fun, or at least different fun.
Yeah.
So big thanks to the team, our speakers, our sponsors, Oracle and Red Hat, and more importantly, or at least as important, all of you for participating in our program today. Be sure to enjoy our BOS, Birds of Feathers, as well as game night, and we'll resume our speaking program tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks, Nixie.
Thanks, Warner. Thanks, everybody. See you soon.